Hey, welcome to the stream tonight. Running a few minutes late, but we are here. Welcome to the show, Advocates for Justice Paralegal School. We provide the tools, you do the work. I'm Coach Neighbors, and tonight we're going to talk about a couple of things. Let me open up a couple of more windows. Hope you guys are having a good weekend. We got some great news to talk about. We've got our property tax package. It's all been restructured to state a claim for relief, and we've added in the real estate deed fraud. So you guys will be able to enjoy that if you're having this property tax issue. I'm using a different internet service, and so it's not going as smooth as what I had. So tonight we're going to talk about the changes that we made in the challenge property tax lawsuit package. And I'm also going to share a little bit with you about the homeowners who have blocked the eviction process, like in 2 hearings. And we're going to talk about what happens if you don't add state to, if you don't add state to the lawsuit. And I'm going to take some questions if people have questions at the end of the show. So if you guys are here, you should check in with at least a "Hey, Coach, what's up?" so that I can see your name. Otherwise, I don't know who's here because I don't get to see that list. So welcome to the show tonight. So let's get started with the property tax situation. Now, I restructured the property tax package to state a claim for relief and also to add to it the issue of the real estate deed fraud. Now, you guys remember the property tax, and I did another video. I'm going to post a link to it. In this video, I opened up the lawsuit package, and I showed you what it looked like on the inside. And we looked at the actual lawsuit document and my internet service is kind of crappy right now. It's not doing a good job. So I'm just going to move on with the show. And I will post those documents a little bit later on. Okay, I'm back. I think I was gone. Was I gone? Welcome, Jen. No, Jan, don't. Okay, I did say to let me know you're here, but you're falling asleep, and I don't care. You've been working hard. Okay, well, at least you're saving it. Jenny, Neeby, BB. At least you're saving it, and you're gonna watch tomorrow. Thanks for checking in. It's nice to know the people that are here, because that lets me know the people that care. People that care and that are working hard are going to be here. So most of the time. Now I know everyone can't be here all the time. What? Okay, sorry. LL, hello. Are you new, or have I had a chance to yell at you before? Sometimes people use different names than on Facebook, and sometimes people use different names than what their real name is or whatever. And I don't care, but I need to know when we're doing business who you are, because you know I'm, I don't work for free. Almost, almost. Welcome to the show tonight, LL. And my equipment's giving me a little bit of a hard time, but we're going to roll anyway, because that's how we do it. So, the eliminate property tax package, I'm going to see if I can get a link. I did a video that I posted, and it came out really nice. And I'm going to share the link. Oh, that's it. Now talking. Well, I think I'm just going to do a screen share, and then I'll just show it. I was going to show the actual document, but uh, my internet service is being a little bit of a pain. So, but we're still here, so I'm not talking too much crap on it. I'm just going to share the screen, and then I'm going to move this down here. So this is the notice of claim letter that I put together. Let's back up just a little bit. Yeah, this. Okay, here we go. Okay, we're going to back that up below so you can. We're just going to. We're going to watch from the beginning. Hello, Carrie Jackson. Who's that good-looking man you're hanging out with there in that picture? There's no sound, huh? At this location. Let's try this one more time. Can you guys hear that? LL, can you hear it now? I made an adjustment. There's still no. Okay. Yeah, I don't know what the deal is on that, but we're just going to move forward because we're not letting anything get in the way, and that's how we do stuff here. So the property tax package I restructured, and you guys, I put a video there in the in the feed there. You can click on and watch. I open it up so you can see the document inside what we're, how I got to structure what we're going after. Now, I didn't show every page because that wouldn't make a whole lot of sense. But you can see kind of what you're bringing to the table. And I restructured it to state a claim for relief. I also restructured it to address the real estate deed fraud, which is the beginning of all of the problems that you're having. And if you're using one of my packages, you should always work toward getting your deed back. That should be your number one goal, is to get your deed out of their office. I know you got the 5 million, 20 million, whatever, and that's all fine and dandy. But at the end of the day, you want to make sure, one, that you're staying in your house, and two, that you're that you are that you're moving to get your deed back. Because until you get your deed out of their office, you're still going to be facing the problems that you have right now. And this new lawsuit package that I put together, I'm very excited to see how they respond to it. And I'm going to offer to the first 5 people, I'm going to offer that package at a special deal. The first 5 people that are interested in it, that email me to my business email address. The first 5 people, I'm going to offer that package for half of half. It's already at half. So, and this is just for right now. The first 5 people that email me to my email address, and I haven't told you what to put in it yet, so you can't email it yet. You need to email me to an email address and put in the subject title "Punching Power." And I will contact you later and send you a link where you can make your $300 investment. I need people to use this so that I can get feedback on what people think about. I need feedback after you review the document. I need a review from you on the document and the value that you see in the document, and then I need a follow-up review about how things went, or after when you used it or whatever. So I need 2 reviews, and I asked for those 2 reviews because a lot of times when you jam up the attorneys, they're going to make you sign a non-disclosure statement. So I need to have people let everybody know in the beginning if the document was worth the money that you invested in it, if it had value, if it made sense, if it was fire. And then do a follow-up on how things went when you actually deployed your weapon. And if you're really lucky, maybe I'll let you let them deliver your document in this new document delivery vehicle that I'm sitting in right now. Or there's one out the window back over there. There's actually a couple over there. And out the other window over there, some big ass bombs that go underneath them. So, but you won't need those because you'll be full with the document, right? So the first 5 people, and I'll check that email tomorrow for the first 5 people that are interested in that package and need it. Now, for the deal, I need you guys to give me the review, and I'm requesting that you just email it to me. That's the best, and I don't really use your name or a picture of the people in any of my stuff. So I'll use a fake name, but it'll be a real review, and I'll post the review just like you sent it. So, and that's what I expect for giving you the break on the deal, and you'll also get the coaching that comes along with my package. So you'd have to friend me on Facebook so we could communicate there. That's how I do the coaching. I don't take phone calls for the lawsuit packages because I dropped the price considerably for them. I just can't take all those phone calls and still help the new people that are trying to figure out what they need to do. So friend me on Facebook, and then you can communicate with me. I also have a new page, and I'll put a link to that page here that you can go to and take a look at the stuff that we're doing. Now, one of the other things we're going to talk about is the eviction process. We had someone that actually got evicted, and now, mind you, when they got in our program, they were already facing the countdown on the eviction time. And it's when you're in that position, it's very important to make sure that you get all of the steps correct. All right, real life auto sales, punching power. All right, I'll get you hooked up there, buddy. Hell, I'm excited about this. I'm excited to have people review my property tax package. And the property tax package is the bomb. Now, as far as I want to see what other people got to say about it. So that's why I'm offering it at a deal right now. I want to see what other people have to say about it, and I'm going to post what they have to say about it, as long as they're being honest, which I'm pretty sure I don't have a problem with. Pretty much everybody on our team in this program is here to for the same goals, to punch somebody in. I didn't say attorneys. Y'all know what I'm talking about, right? Yeah, well, I was going to, but like I said, my connection is acting kind of crappy. We'll give it a try because I want Maybe, yep, it came up. So I'll be able to do that. Foreclosure lawsuit, DUI online course. Now, when people like the page and we get rolling, I'm going to open up another page behind this page. And that'll be the page that we use right now. Things are going smooth the way they are. The other page that I was telling people to join in the very beginning of these videos a couple of years ago is full now, and the new people get lost in it. And the people in that page are mostly paralegals, and they're taking care of a lot of other business, and they don't have time to hear about what we need to be talking about. So if you like the page, and then you can just ask questions or comments in the page. And you can also message me if they're private or whatever. I need you guys to remember, if you're new to my program, I don't need to know all of the things that most people want to tell me in these big, giant, long emails, because we don't go into court and argue any of the stuff they want to talk about. So, at the end of the day, if you get the 42 USC 1983 civil rights package, now you're going into court to argue about how the court's everyday process and procedures violated your due process rights, obstructed the administration of justice, and how they violated the Administrative Procedures Act of 1946. So you don't need to know. All you need is a copy of the document that has the signature on it of who signed. Because the signature on there, who signed, is who you're going to be suing, not some fake lender that doesn't have anything to do with this. And the property tax thing started out after they registered their deed in your office. There's no law that mandates that you have to allow them to register your deed in their office. And once that deed is registered in their office, that allowed the first fraudulent lien to be put against your property, and that's the mortgage lien, because several people own property. Before they could take out a lien on their property, all the owners have to be present to sign. So the fact they accepted your signature on the alleged mortgage lien shows that you own the property. And I smell stink. That's what it says in the video. I smell stink. So in the property tax package, you have a notice of claim letter that is pretty much the lawsuit. It spells out everything that you're going to be doing if you guys can't agree on something. And that notice of claim letter, the package designed to, to be used nice and slow and give them plenty of time. Now, if you're facing an eviction problem or they already have you in court, there's a strategy for that too. So, and if you don't have time, then you just want to go in and I would let them know, and then file your lawsuit in the next few days or something, because a lot of times they'll whine that you didn't give them the notice of claim, the opportunity to cure the problem or whatever, like it matters. But they will use any excuse they can to get out of being held accountable for what they're doing. So the property tax package is designed to help you challenge them and get your deed out of their office. Taking it off of the rolls, or whatever the hell you call it, is not really going to help you, because I have talked to several people, and everybody told me after a year or two, a year and a half, a year or two, some people, they put you back in the computer and start charging you again. So the best thing to do is to get your deed out of their office, so they don't have a copy of your property information in their office. And since there's no law that says you have to put it in there, they should not have a problem giving it back to you, right? Uh, okay, I think that's all I'm going to share tonight because I still have a little bit of a problem here. I can't get to where I need to get to. Um, Chiraka, me a cupcake. Welcome to the show tonight. Are you new to the program here? And what are you facing? What you're facing? I want to thank you guys for the opportunity to share your time tonight. Things didn't go quite like I planned for them. I had some more things to share, but we'll get them. We'll get them on the next one. So you guys make sure that you subscribe to my channel, uh, ring that bell so you get notification when it's time to rock and roll, and please click on those ads so I can get paid. Oh, to rock. So a lawsuit against an attorney. So I have one of those. Zaraka, send me an email and just put attorney in it, and I'll send you something you can use. I like that. Hey, Cannon, welcome to the show. Wisconsin. Wisconsin's been checking in on every show. I like that. No. You never want to go in and go after the stuff that they lined up. I mean, that you could, but what I put together is not going after them for a breach of fiduciary duty. Fiduciary. I can say it. I think I can. Yeah, but that's a good shot at it. What you're going to learn in my program, Jirok, is you're going to learn how to do things in a non-conventional manner. So there's something way more. There's a couple of things that are way more of a problem to the attorney. So that's kind of what. Send me an email, and later tonight I'll send it over to you. Thank you guys. I will see you guys in the next video.